So guys, it's very important when you're checking your brakes. Don't just look through the rim and judge your outer pad. Take the wheel off, get a better look. You can also leave the caliper on, but you also can take it off to get a better look at your inner pads. Because as you can see on this vehicle, the inner pad is actually metal to metal, and it's on both sides. Let me show you. It's on both sides. As you can see, it's on both sides. This side actually works. So take your wheel off, take your caliper off, or you can also leave the caliper on and get a better look.